Good evening. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, the last of the heavy rain should start to break up tomorrow as Cyclone Nusi commences its pilgrimage into southern Pacific waters, opening up the tropics to a period of intense heat and humidity. The top of 31 degrees in Bundaberg today after a low this morning of 23 and humidity 63%. The highest 24-hour rainfall was 76 millimetres at Fairlie's Knob. Let's have a look at the satellite loop now. Firstly, we've got tropical cyclone Nusi. It started to get mobile, moving quickly south towards Lord Howe Island. It's been downgraded to Cat 2. Probably be down to Cat 1 by this time tomorrow before it commences its transition into an extratropical low. Lots of storms still occurring across Queensland. On today's chart, the upper levels really are the main instigating factor. There's still a big upper low that you can't see on this chart sitting on top, producing these big storms. There's also a monsoon trough crossing the tropical coast and merging into the cyclone. On tomorrow's chart, the upper level low clears the coast. Storms should start to break, but as the monsoon trough drops, westerlies start to encroach upon the tropics, making for extreme heatwave conditions, and that'll continue for several days. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters. We've got a south to southeasterly change tomorrow as the cyclone moves south. 10 to 15 knots. Southerlies on Friday, just light, and back to easterly for Saturday. Fraser Island offshore. Southeast to northeast 10 to 15 knots tomorrow on a rising easterly swell up to 3 metres. Southerlies on Friday, southeast to northeast on Saturday. Summer king tides are starting to trail behind us, but the ocean's still swelling to great height at the top of the tide with dangerous currents on the run out. Now the Wide Bay Burnett District, a hazardous surf warnings current. Showers again tomorrow, possible thunderstorms, no mention of heavy falls. 23 up to 30 degrees at Bundy, Gympie 29, Hervey Bay 30, Maryborough also 30. And looking ahead for Bundaberg, the potential for heavy rain eases from tomorrow, but showers will persist through the weekend with a period of intense heat developing in the wake of the cyclone. Thought I'd take advantage of this dreadful humidity to explain what humidity actually means. The atmosphere is filled with invisible moisture. The hotter the air, the more moisture it can hold. That's why the heaviest rain falls in the tropics. Now, when the air is saturated to full capacity and bleeds water drops, we say its humidity is 100%. This usually happens during the cool mist of dawn. Oddly enough, humidity drops as the day warms up. 50% doesn't mean less moisture. It means the warmer air has double the room to hold the same moisture, so its percentage of fullness goes down. So humidity's down when the temperature's up and vice versa. Not what you'd think. Now it's back to the team.
As always, lovely having your company, and if you missed anything, that replay in a moment on 7:2. We've got the National Bulletin now. Catch you tomorrow night. Good night.